Floods have always been a natural part of the ecosystem, and humans have always worked to minimise the effects, especially as towns and cities grew, reducing the amount of ground for water to soak away through. Over time, climate change and population growth has made the issue worse in the built environment. To minimise the chance of flooding, stormwater pits are installed in all urban areas. In Western Australia alone, there's over 1 million drains like this, leading to stormwater pits that take water away from properties. But many of them are not in the best condition to cope with the runoff from major downpours. Some are between 50 and 100 years old, in dire need of repairs and maintenance, and clogged up with an assortment of material, from rotting vegetation and rubbish from our roads to glass, metal and sand.
The problem's been around for as long as there's been irrigation systems, but it is getting worse. There's hyperlocal weather events that are now affecting us that we just haven't designed a system for.
This is the problem that the team at Matter looked to solve. Len Luxford founded waste management solution company Matter in 2018 with the aim of developing a solution to prevent the overflow of our drains, save time, save money and reduce suffering, and to ensure that our stormwater drains are up to the task of directing stormwater safely away from property using the best of modern technology.
So essentially, we've automated the system of pit maintenance. This system allows us to scan the pit in 4 ways, including blockage, but then it automates the service order. So we no longer need someone to go out and inspect the pit. The service order is created through the technology and it messages service staff externally or internally to a council to get an action done that will save a flood.
And since no one could stop the rain, Matter set about innovating a system that could be placed in new and existing stormwater drains to measure the amount of water inside and report the findings back to the organisations in charge of the maintenance. While it is simple to install the system itself, even in older drains, advancement in technology is being used by Matter to build an even bigger picture of the stormwater drain system's health and its ability to cope in big weather events.
We've been dealing in India. They've got a problem that's as big as ours here in the East Coast. So we're looking at all markets, Europe, US and India at the moment.
So if you could paint a perfect picture for in 5 years' time, where are you taking the business?
So it would be great if we could get this into, say, 10% of pits around the country. We think there's a need, certainly in the eastern states, there's certainly a demonstrated need. But to be honest, it's a scalable system, it's a fairly inexpensive system, and we can see it going eventually into all pits because it's an affordable thing. In terms of price, it can be as little as 8 cents per day to run the system.
Matter has developed the complete solution, keeping our stormwater drains clean, ready for the next downpour. Here's to one more great Aussie innovator solving problems that matter.